Welcome to our new home. Well, soon to be home. So this is Peter, and he's gonna be telling us all about it.
You ready or what?
I'm ready. Let's go. Oh, wait, you don't have shoes.
Yeah, outside.
Taking my coffee with me. Let's go.
Come on.
Welcome home. Welcome to our new home. Well, soon to be home. So this is Peter, and he's gonna be telling us all about it.
Well, that's what I know. I'm gonna come in, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a 2015 Zongtong, Chinese brand. It's actually a pretty good price for 106,000 kilometers on the clock. And yeah, there's not much else I really know about it. It's got a Cummins engine, which is apparently pretty good. And yeah, I'll show you inside before I rip it apart, because I think I set the first GoPro up at the front for the time lapse.
Right there.
And the new GoPro which she's using, I'm going to set up in the middle to try and get a time lapse of the backside. Alright, so from here I'm going to block this front door and set up a little office space with
It's gonna be my office space.
well, my office space, the passenger space as well.
What happened to what's mine is yours? Dang it.
So I'm going to extend this back a little bit, obviously remove all this crap, extend it back, put a nice comfy chair there, lock that door, put a little wall here with some little storage for the driver, so I don't have to get up and get things and whatever.
So all of this is gonna be ripped apart, right?
Yeah, all that, on the floor, everything. It's going to be completely fucking gutted. Well, completely gutted. All the windows, all the walls, not the outside walls, but the inside walls. Because we've got to run all the cabling and plumbing.
And make sure we put enough insulation to not freeze to death.
Yeah, I'm going to put double glazed glass and aluminium foam insulation, and then it goes. It's on.
Yeah, I know it's on, but I can't see what I'm filming.
Yeah, we'll just touch the screen.
Oh. There we go. New GoPro, don't judge me, okay?
Yeah, foam insulation with like an aluminium backing, and then I'm going to put rock wool as well, so it's super insulated.
If any of you knows what the hell he's talking about, you can message me. I have no idea.
So this is going to be the lounge room. Up to, I can't remember exactly where. I'll have to look at the drawing.
It looks so tight with the chairs. I can't wait to rip them apart.
Yeah. I'll do a little fireplace there.
Oh, so excited about that.
Television. This will be the main entrance, but I'm also going to put a trap door, so you can, once the door's shut, we can build out this area and still walk over the entrance. Saving space.
So what's gonna be here?
Bathroom.
Where's the kitchen?
Well, no, the kitchen, sorry. Kitchen, yeah, kitchen comes up past this door, so the kitchen's probably up to about here somewhere. The kitchen goes into the lounge room. The kitchen's part of the lounge room.
There's quite a bit of space.
Yeah, but the kitchen is in the same room.
How many meters is it long?
Kitchen.
No, the entire bus.
12 meters.
12 meters. And width?
2.45 outside. About 2.35 inside. Probably about 2.3 after I clad the inside of the walls. Bathroom. That's what I mean. Yeah, this is a bathroom about here. So the kitchen is definitely part of the lounge. Bathroom here. How big is the bathroom? It's about 2 meters.
2 meters.
2 meters wide.
Yeah.
And then bedroom.
Le boudoir.
Yeah.
Where the magic happens.
Or doesn't happen.
Hey.
So there's going to be some sliding windows that open. One of them is going to be here. Well, I don't know if they're sliding. Probably swing doors here. Swing windows. But otherwise there'll be fixed panel glass or opening out or sliding. As many windows as possible, but I'm going to be taking out every single window here.
I quite like that it's so tall, right? It's quite high. I mean, Peter's like 6'1", are you? And it still has quite a bit of space above his head. So it is going to feel like a proper home. It's not going to feel tight and claustrophobic, which is a plus. And yeah, so basically you are going to be doing the entire build, well, mostly by yourself. He's the project manager and I am the apprentice.
A gopher.
Why am I a gopher?
Because you're going to go get this, go get that.
Do you see what I have to deal with?
The helper. Come on, let's go outside.
So yeah, Peter is going to be doing most of the building. We've designed it on our own. We've stolen a few ideas and talked to a few people, but most of the design is our own, and we will be doing most of the work on our own, which is going to be really hard work, but really exciting. Oh, I can't wait for it. Not the work part, obviously, but like the final product. Yeah. Thank you. I got stuck there for a second. So I'm just gonna show you how much space we have outside for. So what's gonna be going in here? Basically, these storages are gonna be mostly water storage.
Well, I don't know exactly what's where yet, but it goes. I probably should have gone in from the other side, but there'll be grey water tanks, battery packs for the solar. There's going to be a big pull-out barbecue on 1.5 metre long draw slides with the sink and everything in it. So just pull it out. There'll be a sink. There'll be a barbecue.
So as we go along, we're going to be filming videos of our process and how we are pulling it all apart, and then whichever part we're building. It will take us, 10 months to, hopefully, in a perfect world.
So the storage goes from here all the way down. It's just blocked off here where the stairs is.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of space.
Yeah. No, it should be good. A lot of this will be, I was probably going to put some some deep freezers down there for freezing some meat and some fruit and berries and vegetables and things.
And maybe Peter's body if I decide to kill him halfway through.
Just so we've got some food supplies that we enjoy, because I know it's going to be hard finding some meats in India and stuff like that. The vegetarians. I think it's up north, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with vegetarians, but I'm definitely not one of them.
So in the next video, We will be telling you all about the plan and what we intend to do. Obviously, we intend to do, but with some luck, we will be able to manage most of the stuff we're planning, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, anything else you want to say?
No, I was gonna say I need to show the roof, but can't get up there. It's too big.
Well, next video when we have the ladder and when we start ripping it apart and we have the opportunity, then we can film other videos and show as we go all the progress. So that's all we want to say for now. We're quite excited. It's been...
Never heard any noise.
This is my life. Yeah. So yeah, we're quite excited. It has been 2 days since we've bought the bus. Honestly, I still can't believe it that we actually own a freaking bus and that we're actually going to be doing this. When it was an idea, I was like, "Ooh, so exciting!" And now I'm like, "Holy shit!" It's quite terrifying, to be honest. But yeah, so we'll catch you in the next video and we'll keep you posted. Follow us for more info. Bye.